Welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Ace application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open App Store or Play Store in your device. Now, at the search bar, you need to type Ace Crypto and click on Search. Scroll down a little until you see this icon. Now click on Install button here. You may need to verify if it is your first time downloading our application. After the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. So that is how you can download Ace Crypto on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.